look at those Sprunki eggs. Imagine the omelets. Scratch that. It's right about to hatch. It's Oren, and she's all to pieces. Let's see who's next. Sky. Now let's put you together. Now for our super special ingredient. Wow! Now they're really coming together. Now the fun can begin. Wow, flowers! But flowers have bees, thorns, pollen. Inside is just looking better and better. I'm sure a little surgery can fix you up. Well, it's not gonna hurt you anymore. Why don't we grow you an eye tree? Ooh, and you can choose any color. Blue? Makes sense. Now let's try some pink eye. Oh, hey, you dropped something. A matchbook? This is a German children's tale just waiting to happen. Uh-oh, where's a rainstorm when you need one? Well, guess you won't need all that wood. Especially since there's no more campsite. Naughty Sprunkies, you don't play with matches. What are you up to now? Ooh, cardboard. I almost thought you were gonna give him a hot foot. Instead, you're making him a new shelter. And there's nothing wrong with some customization. Just in time, too. It looks like rain. Ooh, it looks like Oren needs to go. What are you gonna do with those shoes? I wonder if Oren is part cat. Let's just hope you brought another pair. A good sense of smell would help too. Ugh, we need to clean those feet. See? It always pays to touch grass. But some new shoes wouldn't hurt. Quite the opposite. Grab some cardboard. Now trace around your foot. Leave some wiggle room.
Cool. Yeah.
Poke some holes. And run some twine through them. Soon, you'll be standing tall in your new sandals. Guess you found new sneakers after all. If only you could find a shortcut, too. The Sprunkies look exhausted. Don't worry, there's nothing that pants can't solve. Yes, pants. They're not just clothes. With a little lacing up, they're an instant Sprunki holder. Step right in. There's a leg for each of you. Plus plenty of room for snacks. Uh-oh, it's thunder. Guess we don't need a white noise machine. But that's too loud. Are you scared? Oh, there's nothing to be afraid of. A little arts and crafts will take care of things. We just need to make you a paper doll.
Cool.
And then shine a little light on things. See, the dark's not so scary. How else would we make shadow puppets? See? They're all getting in on the act. All this camping sure is hungry work. Grab the chips. Wait, they're not for eating? Oh, they're fuel for the fire. Burning calories has never been easier. I see.
Wow.
You're in the mood for eggs. Add to the can with plenty of water. Now the fire can get things cooking.
Yeah!
Soon, you'll have fresh, hard-boiled eggs. And don't worry, there's enough for the whole class. Try some water. It's like ice in liquid form. Of course, there might be a bit of an aftertaste. Here, how about something nice and grape-flavored instead? And it comes with a cute dispenser. Just press down and pour yourself a glass. Cheers! Now isn't that better? Guess you found our secret ingredient. We've got fresh fruit, but they're not for eating, silly. Time to put those bunny feet to use. You kick, and she'll kick back and have a sip. Wait, do you know where those feet have been? There's more than one way to skin some fruit. Besides, we can use our special bunny blender. Good thing we've got some leftover fruit. Ooh, shall we set things to puree? Now we've got some pretty and pink smoothies. What you waiting for? Have a sip. Hey, what's that? Well, this candy's seen better days. Yeah, I don't think the 5-second rule applies here. Uh-oh, Wenda needs to go. Well, from flower pot to chamber pot. But I don't think you know who will be happy about this. This cat could sure use a litter box. Better yet, a throne fit for the king of the beasts. Have a seat. Or would you prefer porcelain? Don't be scared. Just keep pushing. Sure, things might be coming up marshmallows, but I'd still close the lid if I were you. Okay, Pinky, time to put your feet up. But you know, a little mouthwash wouldn't hurt either. You check out that mouth, I'll open a window. I was wondering where that teacup was. It's okay. Nothing some extra strong brushing can't fix. But that brush might just make things worse. Besides, dentists just love electric toothbrushes. And they do all the moving and shaking for you. Now say goodbye to all that gunk. Much better. Just don't forget to floss. Wenda's got her head in the clouds today. So why don't we play with a big balloon? Yeah, I wouldn't pop that if I were you. We really should keep these two on a leash. Naughty, naughty. Balloons should be treated with respect. Besides, it's the perfect excuse to try our new toy. This brings new meaning to pumping gas. With a little elbow grease, there's enough for 2 cars. Here, why don't you give it a go? Time for some bath time fun. And just in time, too. Grab a brush. Close, but that's a bush. Well, at least it's got bristles. Or should I say needles? Calm down, or somebody will hear you. But it's okay. She knows what to do. Here, this will suck out the poison. Well, thorn. I want you to meet our biggest fan. Didn't you hear to keep your hands to yourself? Come on, we need to stop her. Or failing that, the fan! This thing needs a cover. A net will do. Besides, a fan needs to look cool. Fans are all about cool. And there are more fun things to do with a fan. Like having a big bubble blowout. Well, it looks like snack time is in progress. And you can't go wrong with corn on the cob. Until it all gets stuck in your teeth. Talk about having your food al dente. It's an easy fix. Bring out the toothpicks. Hey, 52 pickup is for cars. Don't worry, a little birdie told her what to do. Just give it a dunk, and it'll pick up the stick for you. Now let's finally ditch those kernels. In fact, she might need double duty for this job. Toothpicks. You can't just stop at one. Arts and crafts time. Ooh, it's scented. It smells like fruit, but it doesn't taste like it. But I think they're gonna learn about it the hard way. Still, that's one way to get a colorful tongue. And you shouldn't let good paint go to waste. Not bad, but you kind of owe this girl some art supplies. These locks will make a perfect hairbrush. Let's hope she's still got some paint to use. But she's a good sport. Brushes for everyone. That said, I think they're better with tongues. Uh-oh, Pinky's looking a little green. Ooh, make that a whole lot of green. I think someone should stop them. Ugh, this is just sick. And by the look of it, so is she. Don't worry, you just need to take your medicine. Open up, Pinky. Here's the airplane. You know, it works a lot better if you swallow. And I think she could use some too. Here, this medicine tool should help. At the very least, it makes it look cute. See? The medicine went down. And we didn't even need a spoonful of sugar. Whoa, ketchup, the king of condiments. Eating it plain? Would you like fries with that? Would charm school be a lost cause for them? Why don't we put it in a squeeze bottle? Besides, it'll be a lot more fun in this new device. Oh, calm down. It's a special dispenser. Now let's grab some food to use it on. Oh, hot dogs with lettuce. It's basically a salad. This ketchup is good to the last drop. Ooh, looks like Dad's home. Should we introduce you? Guess not. Down the rabbit hole you go. Wait, I think she wants Dad to meet you. Hey, what did I tell you? These two are ice cold.